Basic attic and crawl space ventilation can stop moisture and prolong a building envelope without high cost. Start by balancing intake at the eaves with exhaust at the ridge to create continuous airflow through the attic. Install baffles at each rafter bay to keep insulation from blocking soffit vents and maintain a clear air channel from the eaves up to the ridge. Use continuous ridge vents where possible because they provide uniform exhaust along the roof peak, and pair them with continuous soffit vents sized so free. Vent area meets the rule of thumb of 1 unit of ventilation for every 300 square feet of attic when no vapor retarder is present in the ceiling. Where continuous soffit is not feasible, position multiple evenly spaced soffit vents and ensure they are unobstructed at installation and during any future insulation work. For crawl spaces, use screened passive vents positioned for cross ventilation and place them near the lower side to take advantage of prevailing wind and pressure differences. Raise the vents above soil grade and consider adding a vapor retarder on the ground to reduce evaporative moisture. Use low-cost solar-powered attic fans only when you can demonstrate a measurable benefit such as extreme attic overheating or inadequate passive exhaust, and ensure they include a thermostat and overrun timer and are wired to disconnect when they create negative pressure drawing conditioned air from the house. Common mistakes include blocking soffit vents with blown or batt insulation, which stops intake flow and creates stagnant pockets. Remedy this with installation of rafter baffles and a post-installation inspection. Another frequent issue is undersized vent area or grouping vents on one roof plane, which prevents balanced airflow. Calculate required free vent area and distribute intake and exhaust evenly across opposing planes. A third problem is installing powered attic fans without accounting for air leakage from the living space, which can pull conditioned air into the attic and raise energy use. Avoid this by sealing ceiling penetrations and using fans only when justified, not as a substitute for proper passive ventilation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project experiences and practical tips that relate directly to ventilation choices. Our discussion community helps homeowners and contractors ask questions and compare simple, budget-friendly solutions, while contractors can find work and respond to local project needs.